So this is my old bike. And this is my current bike. And this is gonna be my new bike. Everything is in this box. We bought it like a month ago, I think. This is all the parts. I don't know whether they're gonna sit on the bike yet, but this guy, he knows. He's gonna help me. Now we'll put the wheels on. Already look way more sick. Look at this. Fucking insane. Okay, now we're gonna put the crank in. And I got a good advice from my good friend Toby to put the loop in, because if you don't put the loop in, you will never get it out again if you ever break it. I think I'm turning it the right way, yeah? It could be different from bike to bike. Uh-oh, I need some more power then. Smart one. In Danish, this is called a svensknejl. Anna, do you know what this is called in English?
A key.
Yeah, the big one. A wrench. I think it's called a wrench, right?
A wrench.
A wrench? Is it heavy?
Yeah, the crankset is ready to go.
Ready to go.
It's fucking heavy. 3 kilos. 1.5. Yeah. Lightweight. Okay. It's for the legs. Damn.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great. It's starting to look like a bike now. Okay.
Hvad får vi så? Hvad laver du?
I'm greasing it up. Very nice. It's gonna be good. If I one time want to take it out, it's gonna be easy for me now. If I didn't do this, it's gonna be super tight. No, 2 fingers doesn't fit.
Okay.
More grease. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Should we put something on this one?
Yeah. And then you can just try to slide it in.
This way?
Yeah.
I think this is it.
Is it?
Maybe.
Maybe.
We have run into some troubles. The handlebar, this handlebar that I bought, is too big in the middle, so the screws are not long enough. But now we're just talking about what to do.
Okay, det er jo så det er en overbevist løsning, hvis det er dernede, ikke? Ja. You like it better? You like it?
Yeah, that handlebar is fucking awesome. But I guess this one is fucking cool as well.
Det her, det virker.
Okay, der styrer altså også frække sådan. Ja. Du bare lige tag lidt bit bedre.
Jeg synes, det ser på mig ud.
Jeg synes også, der har vi ikke the right point.
So this is how the bike looks now. But we ran into a lot of troubles. Now the brakes, because it's cantilever brakes, but we want re-brakes on them, so we're gonna switch those ones out. But the re-brakes would fit up here, which is kind of weird that it has 2 different kind of brake setups. But it looks fucking sweet. We're putting the last cables on right now, so I can ride it very, very soon.
Fucking jippy.
Okay, I just biked home on my new bike. It's right here. We're still missing a couple of things. miss pedals. We just put some randoms on. Doesn't look that good on it, but it's okay. And this one, that's the back brake. So right now I'm only braking with the front. But I think when we got that fixed, everything is good to go. But the bike is fucking amazing. It's crazy.